Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I will be installing some hood struts on my 2006 Lexus is350. Now, some of you who may own this kind of vehicle know that the hood struts do tend to fail after a while. And so I did order some Toyota Universal struts for my vehicle. I ordered them off of Wish, and now I'm going to install it. But first I will show you how they arrived in the package. Stay tuned. So this is how it came. Ordered this on Wish. So I'm pretty sure it's coming from China. Let's see. This plastic shipping bag. I can feel they're not in a box, but yet individual plastic sleeves. Well, we will be installing these later on. So, in order to take this strut off, you have to unclip the clip that is here. Let me clean it off so you guys can see it. There's a little clip that holds it in place. You need a little flathead screwdriver. Push it into the little slotted area here. Sometimes it can give you a little bit of trouble, and I noticed that on the first one. And twist. And you can see out of place. There is one at the bottom as well, on the inner side. Same thing. Push your screwdriver down into the little slot area. And twist. See, as you can see, there's the clips. I held it in place. There's a strap. So, as you can see, the strut is totally dead. Yes. Okay, so we have taken off the strut. There it is. Place it up there, along with the clips. You just have to remember to remove it when you're done. Now, we need a drill for this part because I have universal struts, and these do require a hole to be made through the bracket. I'm taking off the riveted bracket that was holding the old strut. So what I'm going to do is make a hole, or pretty much weaken this side, and then just wiggle this out. Now we'll do the top. Okay, that should be enough. I'm just going to get my pliers now and take that out. Yep. So I have a regular pliers here, sort of angled pliers. Now I do recommend using safety glasses and maybe safety gloves when doing this procedure if you have to use a universal strut. Now in my case I have to, and see, came out pretty easy. It was weak. I just weakened the other end and it popped up. Now you can see the hole. Okay, and the same for the top. And voila, see how easy, not too hard. Clean up the area a bit. Now once again, this is a universal strut, not identical to the original, but it does the same job. We'll do it from the inner part. There. Take the bolts. Okay, hand tight, and then okay, and there, hand tight. Get my wrench. So for this, I'll be using two 13 mils, one for the inner part and then one for the outer part. Okay, now the bottom. And there you go. Now the strut is in place. As you can see, I changed this one and the other side. Okay, so then I completely installed. Let's test it out. Okay, and now I'm going to open the hood. Now opening hood, you may have to guide it up because the struts are brand new, so they'll want to shoot up really hard and fast. So hopefully this helps. And once again, universal struts replacing the original Lexus hood struts. Alright guys, hopefully this video helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment below because that does help out the channel. And stay tuned for more videos.